Hey guys, this is Khadeen and you're watching Grow with Khadeen. In this video, I am going to share with you the bakery Facebook ads tutorial. What are the tips, tricks and strategies that you can use to just create awesome ads and high conversion ads and best converting ads that can grow your business and that can also help you get maximum results at minimum cost. So just stick to this video because I will be sharing with you the complete strategy, not only one strategy that this is the strategy and you can go with it, but I'll be sharing with you that how you can create your own strategy. I'll be sharing with you the personal tactics, insider tactics, which the advertisers use to find perfect audience, perfect ads, and how you can do competitor research, and I'll be sharing with you everything. So just stick to the video and watch the video till the end if you want to get highest converting ads for your bakery or cake shop or pastry shop or any food business. So let's just get started. But before just starting the video, there are some prerequisites and fundamentals that you must have to just start the Facebook ads, to get highest converting Facebook ads. First of all, before discussing anything, I want to share with you that if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, just click on subscribe button and click on bell icon, because you will be getting these valuable and premium video, because these are type of strategies on Udemy and Skillshare are worth hundreds of dollars, but I am providing you for free. So if you want same content for free, you can just subscribe to my YouTube channel. Now what are the prerequisites you need before just starting the ads? First one is your website. Your website is must, and you must have a like fast and mobile friendly and responsive website. Then you must have a proper optimized Facebook page, and its branding should be done perfectly, and you must have other profiles also, so that user can have some trust in you. But if you don't have any one of them, then I am running a web design and digital marketing agency, so you can hire us for creating an awesome, responsive and professional website for your bakery. And if you need any help with website maintenance, website design, your SEO of your website, social media of your website, or app development or any other service, we are always here, and you can just contact me through description below. In description I have given my WhatsApp number and my personal email address, and you can just contact us from there, and we can help you just establish all. And if you are looking for any digital marketing strategist or consultant, you can just go to link in description below to book a one-on-one consultation with me, where I'll be teaching you or consulting you that how you can just grow your business online. So now let's just go back to the strategy. So first step in creating ads is competitors research, that what your competitors are doing, and just copying them and just using the content of them and implementing it. So there are several tools that advertisers use to just spy on Facebook ads of competitors. You can use BigSpy, or you can use Facebook's own library. BigSpy gives you detailed analytics and audience and a lot other analytics. What you just have to do is you just have to go to link in description below, and you can use this. And initially you can use it for free, but when you will use more services and more stuff, you will have to pay them about $6 per month, and I think it's not too much. So just here you have to enter any keyword, like I'll enter bakery, and you just have to select the platform as this Facebook. So here you can see when we searched for the bakery, we just got some ads and we can get an idea from them, but the ad audience and a lot other features are available in premium, so you will have to buy their premium one, which is $6 worth. And from here you can just add some filters, like which should be the region. I'll select United States, and then you can also select the format, that it should be video, image, or what type of ad do you want. And you have some other, like what should be the marketing objective, what should be the engagement rate, what should be the language. Let's suppose I select English, and then here I can just select the objective also. So I'll not select it, by the way. So I'll just again click on search, and we'll see how which ads are shown now. So here you can see here are some Facebook ads for bakeries, but if you are looking for free and you are looking for unlimited, so you can use this Facebook ads library. You can just search on Google for Facebook ads library and you will be there, and just select all, or you can just select your country and select all ads, and here you can just search for bakery, or you can search for Cakeshop. And when you will search for it, you will get ads, or you will get ad ideas from there, that what pictures they are using and what stuff they are using, and then getting an idea from that stuff, we can just create ads using Canva. Now what is Canva? Canva is a graphic design tool with which you don't need any graphic design expertise, and you can just create the graphics using the templates by yourself. So first of all, you just have to select any ads from them. You have to get idea from these ads that what type of the ad do you need, and then what do you want to do is you just have to go to canva.com, or just go to link in description to get Canva free Pro free trial, and you just have to get the Canva Pro free trial. And after doing, and here you can see this is Canva, and I used to create all the website thumbnails and other graphics using this Canva. And basically this is not the Canva Pro, because in this I don't need a Pro version, because I just use this account to create thumbnails and store them. So I just use Canva free. And what you have to do is, here you can just search for templates and Facebook ad and Facebook ads, and here you can see you will get a lot of Facebook ad templates, or you can just search for bakery Facebook ads, and here you can see you will get awesome graphic templates. You can use one of them and you can just use your content, and the most of them are premium, so you will have to get the Canva Pro. And I don't think it is too much expensive, but first off you will be getting a free trial also if you will go from the link in description. And after you have, like, let's suppose I have selected this, and I have this one, and here just I have to change my website and my email address and all that, and I just have to change the things. And after doing that, I just have to download it, and after doing that, what I have to do is I'll go back to the ads manager, and now we'll be creating the ads practically. So here we are in the practical phase. Now what we have to do is just have to go to your ads manager. If you don't know what ad manager is, just go to Google and search for ads manager, and just sign up for that. This is by Facebook, and you just have to click on create. And now here you just have to select the campaign adjective. You can just select awareness, you can select traffic, engagement, leads, app promotion, or sales. Now it's on you what type of product you are selling. If you just want to aware people and you want to aware most of the people with the minimum budget, then awareness ads are best. If you want to drive the people to your website and want them to buy things, then you can just use this traffic ad. For right now I just want to run awareness ads, and then you just have to click on continue. And after clicking on continue, here you can see you just have to select a campaign name and new awareness campaign, and then here campaign type and buying type, which should be auction, and it is the must. And also you have options of campaign budget optimization and all that. We just don't want to go with them. And then you just have to go to the ad set, and here you just have to select the page. And after selecting the page, here you just have to decide your daily budget or your full budget you want to spend. And then here you just have to select the date. And here is the main point where you will be doing things. This is basically the audience phase, and here you just have to select the location which you want to add. Like, let's suppose I want to add the people from my city, which is Sargodha, and I want to target the whole city, and I'll be just selecting the whole city, and not 25 miles but current city only. And then here is the detailed targeting. In age you can select from 16 to like 58. And in detail targeting, here is the main game where we have to add the things. So we have to target the people. Sorry, I have to make it in 19. So here we have to add some demographics, a detailed targeting demographics, like we have to add the people interest, jobs. Let's suppose who is your potential buyer, whom you want to show this ads. First of all, the ones who are interested in bakery, who are interested in cakes, who are interested in birthday, who are interested in parties, or you can just, or who are interested in birthday. And here you can see, let's suppose you are targeting the people in the month of April. So you can select the April or January or December or whatever month you want, and then you have some other stuff here, the birthday party, and then pastry. Or you can just select your competitors, the people who are interested in McDonald's. Now McDonald's must not be your competitor, but check the one of the beast competitor you have and just show them your ads, because they might be your potential audience. And from here you can just do R&D, and you will be also be getting data from this website, which is BigSpy. You will be getting ad audience also if you will get their premium version, and you can also get an insight from that. And after doing that, you just have to go below here, select automatic placements, and then here you have to select what type of ads do you want, like you want reach ads, or you want impressions, or you want through play video ads, or what type of ads you want. And my recommendation is always this reach ads, because this is shown to the multiple people in minimum budget. And then here you can control the bid, like in how much dollars you want to show the ads to 1,000 people, like $2 per 1,000 people, $5 per 1,000 people, or $10 per 1,000 people. So here you can select the budget, but I won't recommend this. And then just go to the next step, and here is the ad step. You just have to select a Facebook account and an Instagram account, and then here you just have to add an image or carousel or any creative. How to add that? Just go there, I'll just delete them, and just click on add media and add image. And from here you just have to add an image. So you can just go to upload, and you can add an image from your upload section. Like let's suppose I'm adding this from my previous video, not this one, but I think this one should be okay. So I'm just adding this picture in my ad, and let's click on next. And here you just have to say it like it is original, and just select it. So this is the picture I want to add. And then you have options of primary text, like best bakery near you. Then here you just have to click on add the website URL, and you just have to add your website URL, which is right now webifydhub.com, and you just have to add your bakery URL. And here you just have to add the headline, best bakery shop in your area, or what you can do is you can just go to ad library and you can just check their headlines, what headlines they are using, and which headline you should use. I am just giving generic things that how to do research and development, not just providing you a single strategy. So here you have to enter your website link, like verifiedhub.com, and here add a button to your website like contact us, and then add a language if you want, and then here tracking, if you want tracking, then you can add it, and you just have to click on publish. Now there are few things that I must discuss, this is not the picture you should use. I just use it as a dummy picture. And the second thing, you must have your Facebook business profile. Like let's suppose if I search for my company on Google, Webified Hub, so here you can see you have the agency and the address and phone number and all that. So you should have a Google profile where everything is listed, and I just would recommend you using that, and this is a must so users can easily navigate to your bakery. So if you want help with that for your website, you can just contact us. And now let's just discuss some tools that you can use as a bakery owner or as any business owner that are must-have tools for you. So here are the tools. The first one is BookLikeaBoss. If you don't have website and you want a landing page and you don't want to hire someone and you want a great landing page for your website, then BookLikeaBoss is best landing page builder for your website and can help you build awesome landing pages. Then you have Bluehost, web hosting. If you don't want to hire someone, or you want to hire someone and you want a faster website with affordable and cheapest plans, and if you will be using WordPress for creating the website, and this is the web hosting recommended by WordPress, and if you will go from this link, you will get 64% off with free domain name. And sorry, I just got this calendar notification because I have to upload the video and on YouTube for you. So the third one is BigSpy. BigSpy is for competitive research that I showed you. Then you have CANVA Pro, or CANVA for graphic design. Then you have Upwork. You can use it for hiring someone. If you want to hire a graphic designer, video editor, or someone else, you can just use this. And then you have HubSpot as a CRM if you want to manage your clients, customers, send them emails, and track all the orders and stuff, then you can use HubSpot. So those were the tools that are must have for a business owner. And thank you so much for watching the video. Stay safe, then goodbye, see you next.